here we have, I've done a bit of work on this since you've all seen me last.
Well, I only saw you last week. Get right in there. Oh, get in there tight. Let's see the detail. Look at the shading. You've really been busy with the airbrush.
No, I haven't actually. This is all oil weathering so far.
Oil weathering.
The only airbrushed was the white
on
the base, and that was it.
The rest has been breaking out the brushes.
Breaking out the brushes. I've gone down the path of the loser water-based paints.
Why?
Because they're just like kind of nice to work with. So this is what it would have looked like before. This is after a clear coat. It's now dry, I believe. I did spray rattle can this one. So the thing with that is I don't want any of the clear coat to be on the plastic for when I paint it.
How come?
It'll just show. It'll show up when I prime it and paint it. So I used Mr. Leveling Thinner and a cotton bud to start taking it off. You can see there's a little bit left down here.
Give it a wipe down.
Give it a wipe down. So it won't aggravate the plastic. It won't be aggressive on the plastic.
But it will on the paint.
But it'll strip the paint.
Yep.
It'll strip that lacquer. And I did it like just after the spray. So I used the rattle can. And then after like 5 minutes, everything in here had kind of set. So I was able to pick it up and everything. So I don't really want fingerprints because that will go into your plastic.
Really?
Yeah. That'll stuff up your plastic when it's still curing. And then I got a cotton bud, wiped all of the clear coat off most of, I think 90% of the surfaces at the moment. And yeah, just getting that ready. I should have masked it. In a perfect world, I would have masked it.
Is this the front landing wheel?
Yeah, this is the nose of the aircraft. So if you imagine that will go in there.
Why is it going to hook up there? I thought it would go underneath. Is that the cockpit?
Where?
Here.
No, that's the landing. That's the wheels.
Oh, it's upside down.
It's upside down.
Okay.
I'm only working on the.
Sorry, I thought that was the top.
Well, here, let's have a look.
Oh, I can't have a look.
You can look. It'll go together like.
Fits together well, doesn't it?
It's TAMIYA. How could it not fit together well?
I'm not sure.
I don't really know what I'm doing here.
I
just build them. Anyway, there you go.
But doesn't it fit together? Well, that's not a good display of it fitting together.
All right, I should do it from the other way. There you go. There's your cockpit.
Ah, there's the cockpit.
There it is.
Oh, you've got to
Hallelujah. Nah, that's all covered.
Is it?
See? It's all covered.
But I can see it in there.
Yeah, there'll be a
hole? Put in a round peg in a square hole.
That's right. Peg it. Peggy Sue.
Yeah, right.
Oh, my eyes just shook.
Your eyes just shook.
Yeah, my eyes just went. Blah, blah, blah.
Talking about pegging and then your eyes shook.
There you go. So once it's all glued in, it'll be great. But that is the bottom of the aircraft. Put that there. And this is the top. So you can see I've made a start on the cockpit.
Yep.
Come on.
Are you happy with how it's coming?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm liking my F-14 more.
Really?
Because I'm doing wheels up on the F-14. So it's much quicker.
Wheels up.
I don't have all of this to do. Like all of that is great.
But you can't see under it anyway when it's parked.
The F-14?
No, in this one.
No, it's going to be on a stand. It comes with a stand. That's what this is here.
Stand.
This here is for.
Like a Gundam stand.
They're bigger than a Gundam stand.
Oof.
Yeah, bigger and better. All you Gundam people, you got to move over to plastic models. I've already converted 3.
Have you?
In the shop. Yep. And you can start getting detail like this on your models. And I'm going to do this one. I could have brought the panel liner in to do a bit of a tutorial, but next time we'll do it on the cockpit.
Yeah.
There you go. F-35.
F-35. Is that what Maverick flies?
No, he flies F-18s.
Oh, does he?
Well, he flies F-14s, F-18s. They stole an F-14.
What was the one he was doing 10 megabits in?
Oh, Mark 10.
Yeah.
10 megapixels.
Yeah, 10 megapixels.
10 megapixels.
On the motorbike.
Darkstar.
Ah.
The SR-72.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what designation they gave it, but it was designed by the Skunkworks team. Skunkworks made the SR-71 and the U-2. They did all of this top secret spy program, and they reached out to them to design a fictional Darkstar. So it's incorporating Lockheed Martin's kind of philosophy of design, and that's what the fictional aircraft was.
They're the winners.
Oh, America's always the winner.
Lockheed Martin are the winners, aren't they?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter which side.
World peace.
World peace.
World peace.
Lockheed Martin for the win.
Lockheed Sharton.
If they had have done